Great. Now the simulation is over, and we can take a look at the results that you were expecting. By opening this plus sign, and you can go to the simulations, you can right-click on it and go to the solutions. And the first thing you want to see is the matrix of the capacitance. And you will find that the capacitance between the inner and outer is basically 1.529. 6. So what we calculated before was 1.518, and I think here the description, the difference here is because the L is not as large as we thought it is compared to B, in order to the equation to stay valid. So within like less than like 1% of error, we actually simulated the result pretty accurately and very nicely. So that would be the capacitance that we calculated. Also, we can take a look at the force that we have, and you can take a look and see that how the force is acting here. We have not much of the force because of the distance, of course, and because of the gap that we have, but still you can see that the magnitude of the force is about 798 nano Newton. Okay, so this is cool. Last thing I want to show you is basically how you can calculate how you can actually see the vector of the E. So one thing I can do is I'm pressing Alt key and go on the top view here, and I'm gonna go and select the coordinates as the planes that we have on the system, and I'm gonna go with the XY plane, and then I'm gonna go and plot the E, for example, and maybe the vector of the E, and I'm gonna plot it on inner and outer only. Okay, so actually let's go for all regions. Okay, so that's how you get this, and it shows that it basically go throughout all directions, and the values are pretty close to each other. I mean, the green and the yellow is not that far from each other, 2 point something, 2.2 mega volt per meter, and one of the other one is a 2, for example, megavolt per meter. So it's almost the same, and basically you calculate the E, and you can basically watch how the E reacts. You can get rid of the arrows if you want by just going to the marker and say I don't want to have any tail, so you ended up having something like this, which is maybe more illustrative. Okay, that would be the end of simulation and the result for this cylindrical capacitors. If you have any questions, please let me know under the comment regarding this tutorial. If you have any designs and any and you need any support other than what I'm providing in the channel, you can email me at email that is shown here, and we can work on that offline basically. Okay, thanks for watching.